Let's make some hot healthy applesauce. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to make a hot healthy applesauce. I'm using some ingredients that are really good for your heart to make this applesauce. So this is what I have right here. I have some green apples here, and I have some grapes, red grapes, and also have some ginger. Also here I have some garlic, pure garlic, and some lemon to preserve the color. I've already soaked this in vinegar and salt, so I'm gonna go ahead now and rinse out the vinegar and salt water, and then I'll rinse it with plain water, and then I'll start cutting it. Put the grapes in the blender. The ginger is good for inflammation. It helps your heart as well. The fruits, especially the green fruits, it's kind of sweet, tangy, and they are loaded with vitamins and minerals. The garlic is natural antibiotics. It's also a natural blood thinner. It's antiviral, antifungal, very effective. You have to eat it raw for you to get the benefits. For the garlic, for you to get the benefit from the allicin, when you blend it or whatever you're using that raw garlic in, you have to leave it out for 10 minutes in open air for 10 minutes, and that helps activate the allicin, the ingredients that is important in the garlic. So let me chop the ginger to make it easier to blend. Though I have a very strong blender, but I gotta make it a little easier. So this, when you blend it, if you want it to be a little sweeter, you can add some honey to it. This increases your metabolism as well because of the ginger in it and the garlic. Add all this. I mean, if you don't have a blender that is really strong, you have to put the ginger first and the green apples and the grapes. This is the garlic. So add the lemon. Too much water because it's gonna be a little thick. So this is my way of making heart healthy applesauce. If you don't want it really sweet, you can leave out the honey. Now let's blend our heart healthy applesauce with grape, ginger, garlic. Now the applesauce is done. So now we are going to put it in the plate, in a bowl, and put it in the fridge for an hour for it to thicken well. This is what it looks like. add a little bit cinnamon to it. You can also add it when you are blending it. So this is cinnamony applesauce with ginger, garlic, grapes, and apples. Here it is. To your heart health. Enjoy. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Are you gonna try it or not? So now I'm gonna leave this in the fridge, and you can actually eat it this way if you don't want it to be very thick. So first, I'm gonna leave it here for 10 minutes. Remember, we have garlic in it, so that the allicin will kick in. And then after that, put it in the fridge. Go by, put it in the fridge and leave it for about an hour or two for it to thicken. And our applesauce, heart healthy applesauce, is ready. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you're gonna try it. Go to the comment section, express yourself. Let me know if you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, please subscribe. And thank you for my returning subscribers. You know, without you, I wouldn't be here. So thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.